Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this algorithm section we are going to create an algorithm which will convert decimal to binary. For example, if we give an example here, let's say we have 11 and we want to convert to binary. This is our dividend and this is our divisor. We always divide by 2, and I will say 5, 10, and here remainder is 1, and then again I will divide by 2, and here's remainder is 1, and again I will divide by 2 until this is lesser than 2 and its remainder is 0. So this is how we do on math, and we will do like this from 1 to 0, 0 to 1, and 1 to 1. Then if we convert to 11 to binary, we say 1 0 from here, 1 1, and we can check it. Sorry. Anyway, let's first create and then we'll just test it. First I want to write console write, and I will tell enter decimal number in order to convert into binary. And here I will say var number, and I will convert to integer, console read line, and I will create a while loop, and I will say if my number greater than 1, until this condition. For example, if number is 1, then it will break the loop. And here also I want to declare a string variable. I will call it result, and then I will set it null, because each time when we our dividend we divide by 2, and we will just add our remaining, and in the end we will add our divisor. It will be the number. So here I will say var value, and first we'll divide our number. We'll divide by 2, and we need remaining. So number modulus 2, and this is the remaining is here. And now we will add with our results, and then I will say value and then result. The reason why I write this, I will explain now. And then we'll divide our number. We say number equal number divide 2. So we'll just explain here what I did here. For example, we say 11, yeah. Let's divide by 2, 5, and 10. Remainder is 1. Let's by 2, 2, 4. Remainder is 1. And then divide by 2, 1, and remainder is 0. And we will start from here, not here. For example, that's why I put the values here. Each time, for example, first it will add 1. Then when add another 1, this one, it will be the last one. So until we come to the first, because in math, when we convert the decimal to binary, we start from here 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. But in the end, this is our number, as you see, that is dividend. In the end is 1 is remaining. So For example, if this is 1, 1 is not greater than 1, then we'll also add here to our result. And I will say here, I will say result plus, this time a number, we say our dividend. Number plus result. And then I will say console write line, and I will say result. Or yeah, it's like this. Let's run it. We say 11 1 0 1 1 11 1 0 1 1. Let's put another one, maybe 41, and let's do the same thing here. Let's write 41 1 0 1 0 0 1, and let's try to deeper one, maybe 45 or something with a lot of 49. Sorry. Maybe 100. Sorry, because of my keyboard. That's 111. Let's try 111 110 and 41. Yeah, it's working perfectly. Now I just want to make a loop, not what we enter. It will automatically start from 1. Let's not from 1, let's do from the 2 and until I don't know how many. How we are going to do that? We will create a loop here. Let's create a loop, for loop. Let's say it starts from 2 until, let's say, 10,000, 10,000. And let's copy this one and paste here, and let's delete this one. And here what we did, let me think. This number, it will be I, and but we cannot do the I because we'll just assign our I into temp. We will say int temp, and then we'll assign to I, because we will divide, we want to from 2. If, for example, if here we divide I, it will change. So here we'll copy our temp, paste here, paste here, paste here, and paste here. Let's delete this too. And also after this for loop, let's copy this too, and let's paste it. Let's delete this one, and here we say we will write our temp here also, and then result each time is null. When it's done, yeah, and again it will be null, yeah, something like this. Let's run it. Is it how it's functioning? Yes, it calculated, but I want to do something is more different here. Let's this results, I will do like this 1 minute. Here I will say I, and then here I will say result. Maybe something like this is better. And also is quite large number. Let's try, is it really is functioning or not? That let's do for 999. Let's do 120, yes, and 31, yeah, and 40 and 41, yeah, it's working properly. Let's do is what we say 10, 100 and 1 million. I think now is 3, yeah, until 1 million. Let's run it, how it is going. Now it's done, it's just 1 million. I just want to copy this one and come here, and I will say from binary to decimal, and I will write 1 million like our results should be 1 million. That's 30 and 30, yeah, 1 million. It's working properly. As you see, that computer really calculating very fast. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. See you next video. Please subscribe.